Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in today's video what I'm going to be sharing with you is how you can make money with a phone number. Okay, so basically there is a tool that you can, it's basically a lead generation tool. So anyone who calls that number will be become a lead into your system. Okay, so the system basically generates it basically collects a database of numbers and information from those prospects, and therefore you can continuously market to. Okay, now if you want to make money with the phone number itself, then you promote the software itself and you can make $100 commissions. So how does this work? So basically, whoever calls your number, instantly they are directed to an automated virtual assistant. Okay, your automated virtual assistant. And then when they basically call or text, they then become a lead, and you basically have to get permission from them to email them anything, text them anything, and text them anything in the future too. Okay, but once you do that, you can consistently message them and email them like as a follow-up, and therefore, you know, the more people in your database, the more people that call that number, the more likely, you know, if they are interested in your business opportunity, the more likely it is that someone's going to sign up. Okay, now not everyone's going to sign up, like not everyone's going to buy from your business. Or for example, you know, let me just give you, sorry, I never explained exactly what the tool is used for. So it can be used to promote your current business, or it can be used to promote the software itself. Okay, now if you promote the software itself and someone buys from you, you get $100 commissions, all of the way up to, I think it's $1,000 commissions now, because there's like three different memberships. So there's $100, $500, and there's $1,000. Okay, so you're basically getting all of that money to you, anyone who buys from you. Okay, so if you want to, you know, use it for your own business, you could email, I keep saying email, it's a mobile texting marketing tool. Okay, so what you can do is you can text them the information about your business. So let's say if I put an ad up and I say, for more information on how, I don't know, I'm just thinking of a business. Okay, how to lose weight in the next 30 days from now. If you want to know more information about that, call this number. Okay, so they call the number, and then when they call the number, you basically can follow them up any message. Now you've basically set this up on automation. So anyone who, first of all, they have to agree to receive your messages. So they have to text yes, like I agree. Once they agree, then you can follow up with them and text them whatever message that you want in regards to your business. But it doesn't have to be just for your business. You can actually just be purely promoting the software itself and be making money, or it's just another great way to get more clients to your current business. So that's about it in a nutshell of how you can make money with a phone number. So basically, when you do sign up, and if you're interested in signing up, click the link in the description below this video. You can sign up for free just to watch the video presentation, and then when you're ready to get started, you have to go through a four-step process. And once you've done that, so once you've gone through the 4-step process, then you can basically just start using the software for yourself, whatever way you want to use, whether you want to use it for your business or for this just making money with the number itself and promoting the system itself. So yeah, basically in a nutshell, that's all it is just sharing your number. That's how you make money, by not necessarily, you don't get paid just to share your number, but you get paid by people calling your number and then you following them up into a sale. Okay, and that's how you make money. You make money by generating leads and turning those leads into sales. It's as simple as that. And the more leads you get, the more potential sales you could be making. So I hope that makes sense on how you can make money with a phone number. So basically once you sign up, then you will be given a phone number in the dashboard in the back office, and then you simply just share that number to to everyone. And by the way, it is a number it's a US number, but international numbers can phone that number just by the changing the dialing code to I think it's +1 before the actual number itself, and then people can call it. But if you are in America, it just makes it more better, because obviously it is an American number and you can just promote the number in America. Also, what I find really great is you're going to get a hell of a lot of calls if you put your number in the newspaper, or you put your number in some kind of ad. People are going to call it, they're going to phone it, and they're going to ultimately sign up as a lead. Okay. Also, they have got a clickable link as well, so that people can actually sign up through a link instead of a phone number. So you've got two options of promoting this. You've got the phone number, and you've also got the link as well. So I hope this is valuable information for you. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I'm thinking of maybe doing starting to work on a course of how you can make money using YouTube. I haven't really got down to it yet. I'm just in the process of thinking about how I'm going to do that. But like, comment, and subscribe if you want more videos of mine, and take care.